Greetings from Holodev Computer Consultants. This is Travis. This week's tutorial is going to focus on how we get unwanted programs on our computers as a result of downloading free software off of the internet. In this example, we're going to go to download.com. It resolves to download.cnet.com Windows. And I've already prepared material here to show you guys what happens. So in this example, I've chosen IOBit Malware Fighter that we're going to work with, and I've already downloaded that program to speed things up here. So we're going to go to our downloads folder. We're going to double click this setup.exe program. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to run this program, and we're going to say yes to the user account control prompt. Now we get presented with Welcome to IOBit Malware Fighter Setup Wizard. So we're going to hit Next here. We've got the EULA, or the End User License Agreement. We're going to accept that. What we need to do is pay particular attention to these dialog boxes that show up during the installation or the setup. They will sneak in programs this way because what happens is we're accustomed to quickly installing software by clicking on buttons that are in familiar locations without reading what's being presented to us fully. So if we read through this, IOBit recommends you also install My PC Backup to automatically back up your PC. Now normally we would have an OK button here, that kind of thing. This has a continue. Really what we'd want to do is click No Thanks here. So we would not install My PC Backup as part of IOBit Malware Fighter. But for this demonstration, we're going to click Continue, and then we're presented with the destination folder for the installation of this program. And as you can see here, additional icons will be created, a desktop icon, and add IOBit to my bookmarks in my browser. So we're going to go through the extraction here. This is installing this particular program on this machine. And we'll just be patient here while these files get placed in the appropriate locations. Okay, completing the IOBit Malware Fighter Setup Wizard. If you take a look at these boxes here, and we've got a checkbox here, Launch IOBit Malware Fighter. Okay, that's reasonable. We have an unchecked box here, View Update History. Really not too interesting. But the one at the bottom here is interesting because the box is checked and it says Install Advanced System Care Ultimate One-Stop Solution for Ultimate PC Security and Performance. I don't recall wanting to install that, but if I wasn't paying particular attention and focusing in on what these dialog boxes were telling me, I would just go ahead and hit Finish. So far, we've seen two different softwares that are going to be installed along with IOBit Malware Fighter. The first one being My PC Backup, and now we've got this ultimate package that was checked at the very end of the installation. So now we'll take a look and see what we've got here. We've got IOBit Malware Fighter. Okay, great. There's my program, and this is what I was looking for. We'll go ahead and say OK, fix all, because if you installed a program like this, most likely it's because you already had unwanted software programs on your machine. So we'll go ahead and minimize our browser, and we'll take a look at the activity that's going on here. And if we take a look at our desktop, we've got a desktop icon, which is IOBit Malware Fighter, and we've got My PC Backup on the desktop, and we're showing that your PC is secure. So okay, well, that looks alright. So we'll go ahead and we'll close this out, and suddenly we have Driver Booster 2. I don't remember that during the installation and setup, and now I have a white screen. It looks like a program is attempting to launch my browser. When these things happen, they can become quite confusing. And most of the time, when you start getting these pop-ups, it's to notify you that there's other programs that can be installed, or it looks like it's part of the program that you wanted to install, something that you need to acknowledge, and suddenly you're downloading or installing additional software programs onto your system that you really didn't want. The end result is you get 5, 6 different programs installed on your system when you really just wanted that one particular program to solve your set of problems. So let's take a look through here at the desktop again and see what else has been installed. So now we've got a sync desktop shortcut here. It's another program that's been installed. I'm not sure exactly what that is going to do if we double click on it, but at this point in time, as you can see, it's pretty easy to unintentionally get a whole bunch of programs installed on your system which are really going to slow it down. And as you can see over here, now we've got more programs that are being installed. So maybe this scanner isn't really scanning. Maybe what it's showing is activity of an installation that's going on in the background. And so if you run into an issue like this, of course you can go in and try to clean it up yourself. If you're unable to do that, please give us a call. We'd be more than glad to help you out. And you can reach us at area code 805-315-5923, or you can go to www.lompokecomputerrepair.com, and you can sign up for our free newsletter that we have available. If you're already seeing this video, it's because you're on the newsletter. You're one of our customers. So thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that this was helpful to you. You have a wonderful day, and thank you again for watching.